everyone, I'll read a story for you. Listen carefully. The title is The Pesky Little Puppy. Let's begin the story. Dewey was snoozing on the kitchen floor. He heard a car outside. He opened one round, shining black eye. He hurried over to greet the family. But what was this? They weren't carrying bags of groceries. Dad didn't have his laptop computer. June wasn't carrying his book bag. They had an old cardboard box. A furry white face appeared over the top. It had pointy ears and a shiny black nose. It wasn't much bigger than the chipmunks outside. It was a new puppy. Just what we need, he thought. A pesky little puppy. Dewey lay down on his rug. He was angry. Dad gave the puppy some puppy food. Dewey nibbled, ambled over, and growled. He sniffed at the puppy food. Pew! Pew! He turned up his snub nose in disgust and started eating at his own bowl. The pesky little puppy nibbled at his food. After Dewey finished eating, the pesky little puppy licked Dewey's bowl. Dewey sat stretched out on his rug for a nap. No nap for the pesky little puppy. He bounded over to play with Dewey's curly tail. Dewey growled. After supper, the family went upstairs. After supper, the family went upstairs. The puppy chewed the corner of the kitchen cabin. That will be the end of that puppy, Dewey thought. Mama won't put up with chewing. Mom scolded the puppy gently. Then she let him chew on her old shoe. Dewey was surprised. I never chewed off anything. Dewey went outside to bark at the chipmunks. The pesky little puppy raced right alongside him. Dewey growled. Suddenly, they heard a big truck on the street. Dewey raced to the gate. The pesky little puppy followed him. Uh-oh, they're back. Dewey was certain that the family kept treasures in a big plastic bag. Every few days, men came to steal them. Dewey barked angrily. So did the pesky little puppy. The robbers picked up the treasures and threw them into the truck. Dewey barked even more furiously. In his haste, one of the robbers dropped the bag on the ground. The bag tore open and wonderful things spilled out. Leftover chicken bones, Dad's old sock with holes in it, June's worn out shoes, an old broken telephone. Dewey barked louder and louder to alert the family. The pesky little puppy barked louder and louder too. Finally, the robbers drove away. Dewey gave a final sharp bark. So did the pesky little puppy. We can both bark. Maybe one day the family will catch those robbers. Upstairs, the family looked out the window. They saw the dogs sitting side by side. Dory looked down at the pesky little puppy. Slowly, he began to wag his curly tail. The pesky little puppy looked up at Dory. He wagged his straight white tail back and forth. It looked just like the metronome on June's piano. Did you enjoy the story? Next time I'll read you a more exciting and fun story. Then see you next time.